This segment is sponsored by Magnolia Dental.
If you're looking for a friendly family dentist, Magnolia Dental is the perfect place to brighten your smile. So to talk about the history and what they're doing with patients and other doctors is Dr. Brian Basom. How you doing, doctor?
Great. How are you?
Good. So first talk about how you got into dentistry. What's kind of your background?
Well, I actually thought that I was going to be a veterinarian growing up like my grandfather, and then I found out that it's a lot easier to communicate with humans and find out what's bothering them and what loves them. So I found the perfect marriage of a lot of disciplines in dentistry where you get to help people, you get to build a team, and we're able to establish great patient relationships and provide great dental care.
So what's the idea behind Magnolia Dental? What's kind of the history there?
So the idea behind Magnolia Dental is we're a growing dental group in the Central Ohio area, and our goal is to have private practice within a group setting. So essentially you get that same patient experience and great dental care from one provider, but then you also get the benefits of a group practice such as modern technology and the latest continuing ed and treatments available.
Nice. And I had to ask you, the name Magnolia and the way this looks, did Chip and Joanna Gaines come in here? Because this is incredible.
You know what's funny is it actually came up way before. I graduated in 2007, so almost 10 years ago, and it was before the Chip and Joanna craze, although I'm very familiar. It's on in my house all the time. My wife constantly watches it. But I used to vacation to South Carolina, Charleston, specifically with my family, and obviously kind of the natural beauty and the majestic nature of magnolia trees always stuck out, but also just the refreshing, rejuvenating, and kind of renewing spirit that you get on vacation was what we wanted to replicate here. And so, we obviously designed the office to feel more like a hotel or a spa, something more relaxing. So that you could leave refreshed and rejuvenated.
And for the record, that means they got their style from you. No, I'm totally kidding.
That's right.
So what I love here is the atmosphere that you create at this dentistry. Talk about the patient experience when someone comes here and they're getting work done.
So we believe in patients first. Ultimately, that is what drives us, and drives all of our doctors. And so we begin by listening to the patient, identifying what their needs are, what their wants are. And then as professionals, recommending what we feel like is best for their healthcare. And so our goal is for everyone to leave here happy and healthy.
And on the flip side, you have patient care, but you also care about the dentists that are here. Talk about how that works.
Yeah, we are doctor-led, and I feel like that's an important distinction in modern dentistry now, where we provide an environment where the doctors are supported, and the doctors are able to focus on the patients and really only the patients and the team, so that everybody's working together to provide the best patient experience.
And not only doctors that have been in the field for decades, but even newer doctors just graduating college. How do you deal with that?
So, we're lucky that we get contacted by lots of elite clinicians, and that we try to identify who's a good fit for us, who does believe in patients first and ultimately serving their patients. We're lucky in this Central Ohio community. There is a lot of doctors that have been practicing for decades and are looking to transition and basically get a little bit more work-life balance and get more opportunity to spend time with their grandkids. And with that, creates an opportunity for some of the younger providers to provide more care and service for the patients. And so we've been able to meet the needs of both of those generations and provide a great opportunity for everybody.
I just love that it is a well-rounded team here for anyone to come and take part in it.
Sure, absolutely.
So for people watching, if they want to be a patient, or maybe they're a doctor, they want to join your team, what step do they need to take?
Visit our website at mymagnoliasmile.com. Obviously with 4 locations in Worthington and Upper Arlington and Granville and Chillicothe, they can look at what's the most convenient for them and reach out.
Great. Well, Dr. Basom, thank you so much for letting us come out here. I can't wait to come back.
Yes, absolutely. We look forward to seeing you.
Like Dr. Basom said, for more information, if you're a patient or a doctor, just visit their website, mymagnoliasmile.com.